Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all shortcuts and gestures on the touchpad on Samsung DeX on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first let's open the touchpad on our Z Fold so we can use gestures there. The touchpad will be either here with this rectangular button in bottom left corner, or if you don't have this button, slide down from the left top part of your screen to find a notification about opening the touchpad. Now you'll have this black screen with some minor lines here, and you can use the whole screen for the gestures. And of course you can just slide your finger across it to use it. And now let's explain all the other gestures. So a single tap will just open the app or stuff like that. Sometimes some things require double tap, but you'll probably see it once you click on something once and it doesn't open the thing that you want to open, you need to click on it twice. Now for secondary click, called right click on computers, you can tap with two fingers, like that. You can see it opens some sub menus, like you can change wallpaper settings. If I right click on let's say the YouTube music app, I can select it, I can remove it, uninstall it, and do way more. Now let's move on to swiping. If you go to anything that can be swiped, like settings, for example, any app that like you can scroll down, or let's say a browser. If you want to scroll down, simply slide with two fingers. Scrolling down is done by swiping up. Like you can see it probably right now. And you can also do it by sliding left or right with two fingers if an app requires it. So if I, like for example, zoom in, I'll show you the zooming in a moment, but if I zoom in, if I slide right or left, I'm also sliding right or left with two fingers. Now let's go to zooming. So I'll zoom out, and to zoom in, just take two fingers and pinch them out. And if you want to zoom out, pinch fingers in, just like that, just like on a phone, right? Now let's go to the next gesture, which will be touching and holding, and it's for selecting objects. For example, if I touch and hold on this app icon, I can start moving it around. I can also open an app, like let's say the phone app. If I touch and hold on the top bar of it for a moment, I can start moving it around across the screen. Now let's go to another thing, which is tapping with three fingers, and this is the back button. So if I go to settings, for example, if I go to home screen, then cover screen mirroring, if I want to go back, I can just tap with three fingers. You can see it goes back. Now there's also a three finger swipe up. If you take three fingers and swipe them up, you can see it opens recently opened apps, like currently open apps. So if I open a few of them, and if I minimize them, for example, then if I swipe up, you can see they are here. Swipe up with three fingers, of course. Then you can also take three fingers and slowly start sliding left or right. At the top of the screen, you'll see like selection of apps. So you can select which app to open right now, and it'll get opened. Now let's go to the next feature, which is clicking with four fingers on the screen. Four fingers on the screen of your phone will open recently, like all your apps. This is your app library or app drawer, whatever it's called. Now let's go to the next thing, which is basically also the swipe up with three fingers can be done by swiping down. This does the same thing. And I think that these gestures that I've shown you are the main ones. I'll just go back to the three fingers left or right. You can see I have both of apps opened, they are both visible on the screen. If I move to my files, they will go to the top, so I can now operate on that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.